Hey everyone, today I am super excited to share some amazing news with you all. It's about a product that I've been loving. Yes, you guessed it right. It's the L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Bright Serum. So you guys know I've been using the original Glycolic Bright Serum and I've seen some fantastic results. But this time, L'Oreal Paris has just launched a new version that is even better. They always come up with something interesting product which actually works. And this time it is the new Glycolic Bright Serum powered by Milacil. This serum is a game changer for everyone and anyone dealing with dark spots. I know you must be wondering what is Milacil. So, before I used this product, I didn't know what is Milacil and what it does to my skin mainly. So I did a bit of research and I got to know this powerful ingredients help to reduce all type of dark spots. I have before used multiple ingredients like kojic acid, vitamin C and whatnot, but none of them given me the result that this one has given me, you guys. And can you believe that after 18 years of research, L'Oreal Paris has developed this unique molecule and it is also patented. Honestly speaking, no one likes dark spots and uneven skin tone. So let's be real. Dark spots have been my major concern in last few months. And now if you guys have been following me and you guys know me, you know I was struggling with dark spots. And here are some pictures of that. But right now, I'm sitting right in front of you guys and you can see my skin. It is much better. A few weeks back, I had a lot of different type of dark spots and uneven skin. And I always used to hide it under my makeup. But when I used to see my bare skin closely in the mirror, I could see a lot of dark spots and it shattered me down. I was so sad about it. And let's not forget about those moments when you just want to go out without makeup and embrace your natural beauty. But then there's that patch right there staring back at you, reminding you why you definitely need a full glam moment. And that's why guys, I've used tons and tons of products, creams and everything, you name it, and I've applied it. And if it promises to brighten my skin or reduce those dark spots, you can bet I have thought of adding it to my skincare routine. But you know, some of them actually did work for me, but I often end up feeling like I'm just one more product away from that perfect skin. And this one guys, this serum, this solved all my issues. Trust me. And now it has Milacil along with glycolic acid and niacinamide. Can you see the color and the texture of this serum? It is so good. It is so easy to observe. I have been using this in my skincare routine and mainly in my PM skincare routine at night when I've removed all my makeup and after having my face cleansed. A couple of drops of this on my clean face and it is super easy to apply. It absorbs very quickly and feels lightweighted to the skin. It is non-sticky, which I absolutely love, and you people know how much I love products that are non-sticky. It doesn't leave any greasy residue. That is the best part of this product. And since I've started using it, I've noticed my skin looking even more brighter and more even toned. And if you guys are struggling with dark spots, this serum might just be the one solution you have been looking for. Dark spots? Game over. So if you're curious to try it out, I'll leave the link in the description down below. It's available on Nykaa and this one guys retailed for just $7.49. Isn't it amazing? So what? It's worth the money. Thanks for watching everyone. I can't wait to hear your thoughts if you have tried the new L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Bright Serum with Milacil. Until next time, take care. Bye.